Good morning. We're here with the Weslaco Area Chamber of Commerce and here celebrating our weekly Winter Texan Coffee Bar. We want to invite you all to stop by. We've been here all week and we have coffee and pastries available to our community visitors, anybody who stops by the visitor center lobby. We're very excited to have our sponsor this week, Weslaco Regional Rehabilitation Hospital. We have the awesome team with us here today to share with us a little bit more about Weslaco Regional Rehab Hospital. But on behalf of Weslaco Rehab, because of their sponsorship, we're able to offer our Winter Texan Coffee Bar this week. And again, we want to invite you to stop by. And again, we want to have them share with us a little bit more about their services right here in Weslaco and what you can find here. So I'm going to pass it over to Corina, the CEO, who's going to share with us a little bit more about Weslaco Regional.
Thank you, Barbara. Yes, my name is Corina Rodriguez. I am the CEO of Weslaco Regional Rehab, and we are happy to be hosting this week's coffee bar. So we also have a lot of swag from our hospital here in front of me on this table. We encourage you to come by, pick up the information that we have, and here to tell us a little more about the services that we offer at Weslaco Regional is our medical director, Dr. Adam Muffler.
Yeah. So I specialize in physical medicine and rehabilitation. I'm the medical director at Weslaco Regional Rehab Hospital. We provide services for people who have lost function for whatever reason, strokes, falls, hip fractures, hip replacements, spinal cord injuries, various medical illnesses. So we provide an interdisciplinary team approach to addressing that loss of function. Physical, occupational, and speech therapy. We have a dietitian. We have psychology services. And our goal is really to get people as independent as possible to return to their previous level of function.
Absolutely, and just to add to what Dr. Muffler explained, which is precisely what we do at Weslaco Regional, just restoring function. That's if you want to just walk away with anything at all, it's just to restore function. So somebody who has either had a medical incident or has a medical disease process where they're losing function, we might be able to help and provide some services. Not only do we offer inpatient rehab services, we also offer outpatient rehab services. We have two disease-specific programs that are certified by Joint Commission, and they are stroke. So we offer stroke rehabilitation and amputee rehabilitation. So we're extremely excited about both of those programs that are specific to a population that can truly benefit from rehabilitation and regaining that independence and that function that they once had before. Behind me, I also have some of our team members that, as Dr. Muffler mentioned, represent that interdisciplinary approach. We have a team that supports the patient that does include a pharmacy and dietitian and respiratory, case management, nursing, all of the types of therapies such as physical, occupational, speech therapy. We also do provide education to the family and the caregivers. So for a patient returning home, we want to make sure that they have the optimal success of remaining home and not returning back to the hospital. So we provide all of that education. Additionally, we have a program where a nurse practitioner will call and follow up with that patient for 30 days after discharge. Now, this is something very, very unique, and a lot of, I would probably say no other post-acute provider does that service. So we do that. That is an additional service that we do for our patients.
So again, we want to remind you that we have the Weslaco Regional Rehab Hospital here as our sponsor for Coffee Bar this week. Come learn more information. We have a fabulous team ready to serve you here in Weslaco, and we remind you of all the wonderful services available here in Weslaco. We invite you to stop by the visitor center, learn more, and we thank you again for supporting us, and we thank you, Weslaco Regional, for being our sponsor this week, and again, being a member of the chamber, and again, an active member in the community supporting Weslaco. So we thank you for your time, and we hope you all stop by. Thank you, everybody.